sich an der Brache vor der Warin Boss, only horny for a bushy sus the trash, up sich an der Brache vor der Warin Boss, only horny then for bushy sus the trash, looking Andy Nandy, cooking Andy oh, spooking Andy Nandy, cooking Andy oh, cooking Andy Nandy, cooking Andy oh, 14 on the shield, the slink and Philip yo, he didn't dance and dance and he didn't dance today, he didn't dance and dance nor would he after day, he didn't dance and dance, he didn't dance today, he didn't dance and dance nor did he yesterday, throw him up, throw him up high, throw him up, he'll be back by and by, throw him up, throw him up high, throw him up to heaven, we'll see if he can fly, throw him over, throw him over, say, throw him over, he'll come back again, throw him over, throw him over, say, throw him over, he'll come back for a day, Piper sell your pipes and buy your wife a gown, Piper sell your pipes, I'm sure they fetch a pound, Piper sell your pipes and buy your wife a gown, I wouldn't sell my pipes for all the wives in town, cookin' Andy Nandy, cookin' Andy oh, cookin' Andy Nandy, cookin' Andy oh, cookin' Andy Nandy, cookin' Andy oh, 14 on the shield, the slink of Philippi ho, 14 on the shield, the slink of Philippi ho, James the thousand ink to shame the mission co, 14 on the shield, the slink of Philippi ho, James the thousand ink to shame the mission co, oh Shivana Jassy, oh Shivana joy, oh Shivana Jassy, ink of Philippi ho, oh Shivana Jassy, oh Shivana joy, oh Shivana Jassy, ink of Philippi ho, 14 on the shield, the slink of Philippi ho, Shin my Vigo Dushel Solid Basket Joe, 14 on the shield, the slink of Philippi ho, Shin my Vigo Dushel Solid Basket Joe, oh Shivana Jassy, oh Shivana joy, oh Shivana Jassy, ink of Philippi ho, oh Shivana Jassy, oh Shivana joy, oh Shivana Jassy, ink of Philippi ho, 14 on the shield, the slink of Philippi ho, grass the coral fever, my regaxi toe, 14 on the shield, the slink of Philippi ho, grass the coral fever, my regaxi toe, oh Shivana Jassy, oh Shivana joy, oh Shivana Jassy, ink of Philippi ho, oh Shivana Jassy, oh Shivana joy, oh Shivana Jassy, ink of Philippi ho, 14 on the shield, the slink of Philippi ho, even then the link of sheep's the gaxi ho, 14 on the shield, the slink of Philippi ho, even then the link of sheep's the gaxi ho, oh Shivana Jassy, oh Shivana joy, oh Shivana Jassy, ink of Philippi ho, oh Shivana Jassy, oh Shivana joy, oh Shivana Jassy, ink of Philippi ho.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Celtic Junction Arts Center. My name is Nora Rendell, and I am so excited to present tonight's concert by the Taking Flight Collective, featuring 3 talented young musicians from the Center for Irish Music: Adrienne O'Shea on flute and vocals, Georgeo on fiddle, and McKenna on accordion. And they will be joined by CIM instructor Brian Miller on guitar and bouzouki for what is going to be an amazing night of locally produced traditional music from St. Paul and Minneapolis. That's for Joe. So tonight we're streaming live, as I said, from the Celtic Junction Arts Center, the home of the Center for Irish Music, St. Paul's own traditional Irish music school. And this stream is available on our website at centerforirishmusic.org, on YouTube, or on Facebook. And if you're on Facebook or YouTube, please don't be shy, send us comments. We'd love to know that you're out there watching and supporting these wonderful musicians and just enjoying your night. So just search for Taking Flight Collective and you should find it. Now you might be wondering, what is the Taking Flight Collective? And it kind of sounds like the new band in town, and while maybe it is the new band in town, it's actually a program that we developed this year for these 3 musicians, especially for them during this unique and really challenging year. And the idea kind of began in June, when we were all hoping that things might go back to normal quickly, and realized fairly quickly that they were not going to be going back to normal. And that's usually a time that, as the director of the school and educator, I start thinking, well, what should we do next year? What do our students need? What can we do to keep our students challenged and engaged? And so it's been a bit of a puzzle figuring out what to do with these 3, because they have all graduated out of the under 18 category at the FLA, which has been a big driver for a lot of the students at our school. And Adrienne is a music student at the University of Minnesota. And anyway, they're all still here, and they're all really busy, and I wanted to make sure that they had time in their weeks for their music, which they all love so much. A lot of CIM's programming is based on ensemble playing and playing together, and I thought it was time to focus on solo musicianship and playing for themselves and playing their own music. So what you're going to hear tonight is something new for Center for Irish Music. We're going to be featuring these musicians playing their own sets of music for, they're each going to play 4 sets or 4 songs, sets of selections of music. So I know you're really, really going to enjoy it. And so without further ado, I want to introduce you to Adrienne O'Shea and Brian Miller. Please welcome them to the stage.
Hi everybody, I'm really, really happy to be starting off tonight and with live people in the audience, especially our wonderful parents. It's so nice to be playing for them, of all people. I'm going to start off with a set of jigs. And these are a set of jigs that have a certain Minnesota importance. I learned them from my flute teacher, Sean Gavin, a couple months ago. But the first tune was recorded by the lovely Charlie Heyman, and it's a recording of Paddy Hill, who was a famous musician, lilting this tune while he was in the Twin Cities. He was too old to play at that point, but he lilted this tune, and Charlie was there recording it. And we couldn't find any recordings of it or even a name, and we had no idea where it came from. So Sean learned it from that recording of him lilting and called it Paddy Hills. And so I'm going to play it along with the tune called The Rambling Rake. I'm going to sing a song next, and it's an unaccompanied song, which is something that I'm really passionate about and I really enjoy, and sometimes I think it gets a little bit overlooked. But this is a song that I learned this summer from the wonderful Adrienne O'Shea, and it was a song that Len Graham collected from Joel Holmes. Joel Holmes is a really wonderful trad Irish singer, and Len Graham spent a lot of time with him, collecting songs from him, and became great friends with him. And Adrienne O'Shea has then gone on and collected a bunch of Len's songs. So I was lucky enough to learn it from him this summer. Irish song, like, what is it called? Like patriarchy going on, but hope I'm going to, it's a bit of a cheeky song, but I really enjoyed it. So it's called Tumbling Through the Hay. It being in the month of July, in the rosy time of the year, down by on flowery meadows where the water does run clear, where the lambs and little fishes they do merrily sport and play, and the lads and the lasses go a-tumbling through the hay. La-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee. Then up comes lovely Johnny with a pitchfork and a rake, and up comes lovely Molly the haythen for to make. They time their notes so merrily as the nightingale did sing. From morning until evening they were at their haymaking. La-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee. Then up come the mowers the hay for to cut down, with their scythes upon their shoulders and their hair a lovely brown. Then up come the labourers the hay for to shake out, and when they had it all cut down they tossed it all about. La-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee. It been coming up to Saturday, and all would get their pay. Aye, and all these jolly haymakers were feeling blithe and gay. The number of these haymakers, as near as I can say, were 25 boys and girls a-tumbling through the hay. La-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee. When 9 short months were over and all was past and gone, there were 25 boys and girls a-making their sad moan. Hush-la-ba-ba-bee, these fair maids they did say, and many a time they wished they ne'er had tossed about the hay. La-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee, oh la-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di, la-da-dee-di-dee-tol-ta-lee. Okay, I'm going to play another set of tunes for you, and these are a set of reels that I also learned from Sean over the summer, but they're a famous set of tansy reels that he would play all the time. They're called Jim Coleman's and the Cohort reel, and I hope you enjoy them. you, everybody. I'm going to sing one more song for you, and in more classic Irish tradition, it's a sad song, a sad love song about immigrating. So it's called Edward Boyle, and I learned it again from the really wonderful Brino Hart, or a recording of him at least. And it's a really beautiful song about this woman lamenting her love, Edward Boyle, for immigrating to America and all the woe he's caused her. You tender-hearted maidens of a high and low degree, likewise you wounded lovers, come listen unto me, whilst here I am bewailing a youth whom I adore, that is now going from my arms, bound for Columbia's shore. In the time I well remember, it was in the month of May, when Flora's flowery mantle bedecked the meadows gay, the fields were decorated, all nature seemed to smile. It was there that I parted from my own true love, my charming Edward Boyle. His friends and relations, they did him then convey to Belfast town of high renown, until they reached the quay, and with courage bold he did set sail, and he left that shamrock shore. All joys be with you, Edward Boyle, will I ever see you more? In the county of Fermanagh, in the parish of Rosslea, in the lands of Brachowadi, in the mountains of Troy Bay, brought up by honest parents who did together toil, but sure now they're sunk in sorrows for the loss of their Edward Boyle. This country has grown lonesome since young Edward he went away. He was the pride of the college land, how sweet his flute could play. His comrades all, both great and small, they swore they'd leave the soil in hopes once more on Columbia's shore they would meet with young Edward Boyle. My curse on you, Columbus, 'twas you found out the way, and likewise to Mary Kay, that has stolen my love away. From that time down sure we
Adrienne O'Shea.
Thank you very much, Adrienne O'Shea. That was absolutely gorgeous. So I'll tell you a little bit more about Adrienne while we switch over the stage and get ready for our next musicians who are going to perform. So Adrienne O'Shea was born in Dublin, and she has been studying Irish music for a long time and really has been immersed in it for her whole life, really. She was the star of Get Up You're Irish, which was a play produced at the Stepping Stone Theatre back, I believe it was 2011, if I have that date correct. And Adrienne was around 10 years old, and she was the star of the show and sang and danced in the show. And that was a play written by Natalie, her mom, and also I did the music, and it was just the beginning of a lot of the community that we've created here at the Junction. Anyways, that was a while ago now. And now she's studying music at the University of Minnesota. At the CIM, the Center for Irish Music, she's worked with Corey Froelich, with Sean Gavin. She's been a student of mine since she was very young. I even taught her piano. It was a very long time ago before we handed her over to Corey, and many other instructors as well. And more recently, she's the featured singer and flute player in the Kickin' It Irish show. And she's also a great step dancer, a piano player, as I mentioned, and as you just heard, a beautiful whistle player and flute player and singer. And Adrienne's also teaching at the Center for Irish Music just as of the last year or so, and following in the footsteps of her parents. She's a really fantastic teacher as well. So we're so happy to have her here, and thank you. That was a gorgeous set. So our next performer is Joe DiGiorgio, and if you've just joined us and you're out there on Facebook, my name's Nora Rendell. I'm the director of the Center for Irish Music, and tonight is the Taking Flight Collective virtual concert, and it's the first of two. There's going to be another one in April, so make sure you mark your calendars for that one. It's going to be another performance like this and another chance to hear these wonderful musicians play. So next we're going to hear a fiddle player. His name is Joe DiGiorgio, and he is one of CIM's earliest students. He studied at the Center for Irish Music since he was a young gentleman, a Suzuki musician, and he met Jody Dowling a long time ago, and they connected, their families kind of connected, and had just a wonderful friendship that has lasted a long time and has just been a really special relationship for both Joe and Jody and the DiGiorgio family, and the Dowlings too. And more recently, he's worked with James Kelly. He's taken workshops with so many different musicians since COVID hit. COVID's actually been really good for a lot of musicians in town. It's given us a whole bunch of time and space to work on music, and Joe is absolutely no exception. I think his playing has kind of developed he's gotten through a few different cycles of styles in the last 6 months, just kind of listening to tons of music. His passion for the music, it runs really deep, and you're going to hear a lot of that in his music tonight. He's a really creative player. He's quiet. Hopefully he'll talk a little bit tonight. We told him that he had to introduce his tunes a little bit, but his real voice speaks through the music. And Joe has competed at the FLA many times, just like the other two, Ian and Adrienne. In 2019, which was the last All-Ireland FLA that we had, he competed in 3 competitions. He was a solo competitor in fiddle, and he did the trio competition with Ian, Adrienne, and himself, obviously, and then him and his duet partner, Ian McKenna, brought home a bronze medal in the under-18 duets with a totally fantastic performance that you can find online. So I am going to hand it over to Joe DiGiorgio playing with Center for Irish Music instructor Brian Miller. Enjoy. Woo.
So I will start with a set of reels. The first one is called Michael Russell's, and the second one is The Ladies' Pantalettes, and I'll finish with a version of Mother's Delight, which I got from James Kelly. I'll continue on with a set of jigs. The first one I got from the playing of Jack Talty, great concertina player. And I'll finish. What's the next one called? The Old Walls of Liscaro is the second tune. So got that one from Jody. So. This next set is a set of hornpipes. The first one is The Bank of Turf, which I got from Kevin Glacken in one of the Skull Egg Show weeks. And I'm taking a little bit of inspiration from Dennis Murphy. So been listening to a lot of him lately. So next, and then I'll follow that one with one that I got from a fiddle player that Sean Gavin told me about. So, yeah, 2 hornpipes for you. Woo! wrap up here with another set of reels. The first one is Porthole in the Kelp, which I got from the playing of James Kelly. The second one is Collier's, another one from James. And the last one is called The Lobster, and I worked on that one with Sean. So, 3 reels.
was Joe DiGiorgio on the fiddle and Brian Miller on bouzouki. And you've joined us for the Taking Flight Collective concert, streaming virtually all the way to you from the Celtic Junction Arts Center right here in St. Paul. And this is presented by the Center for Irish Music, and I'm just going to give a shameless plug for the Center for Irish Music. We are a traditional Irish music school based right here in St. Paul in Minnesota. And tonight we are distracting all the Americans and hoping that we're relaxing you and helping you feel better about the world. Listen to these amazing young musicians playing traditional music. This is important stuff. So next we're going to have Ian McKenna playing on accordion with Brian Miller on guitar and bouzouki again. And let's just hear it here for Brian Miller. Up there!
Best seat in the house.
We have a lively small crew with a lot of distance here, and it's so much fun to be here, and I'm so happy to have so many people joining us from Ireland and from across the States, and hopefully a few people from Canada as well, some family members of mine, some friends. So Ian McKenna is our next musician, and he plays accordion and melodeon, and he is a fantastic musician who's been playing since he was really young. His first teacher at the school, and he's still his teacher and mentor here, is John McCormick. And John has been such an incredible teacher here at the school and has managed to, he's really inspired a lot of young musicians, and we have a few just incredible accordion players here at the school that started off with John and are still just in touch with him every week. And it's so wonderful to have mentors and teachers like that right here locally. And Ian has always been a natural, in my opinion. He's just such a musical musician and a natural. Every time he plays, his music it's sweet and it's really groovy and it's super fun to play with. So I know you're going to enjoy this next set. And in recent years, Ian has been taking lessons, learning some tunes from Conor Connolly in Galway as well. And in the last year, he's also started teaching some accordion at the Center for Irish Music, which is so fun. So he's teaching a couple of young gentlemen how to play the accordion, and he's very inspiring to these young musicians. In fact, all three musicians who you're hearing to play tonight, they're great teachers, and it's so fun to see. I always feel like maybe I'm one of the young people in town. Well, no longer. There's these great musicians. They're 16, 17, 18, 19 years old, and so the musicians who start playing when they're 6, 7, 8, 9 years old, they look up to these guys and Adrienne just so much, and it's really cool, I think, to have that continuity with the tradition and to have young people looking up to other young people who are so passionately playing this music that we love. And I just, before we hear Ian, I wanted to give just a quick shout out to our sponsors for tonight. Thomas Dillon Redshaw has sponsored the Taking Flight Collective project in memory of his mother, Elizabeth Dillon Redshaw. He stepped forward a couple of years ago when we were talking about how important it is to develop leaders in our community who will stick with us and help to keep everything going. And so thanks so much to you, Tom Redshaw. We really appreciate your support. And then also to the Celtic Junction Arts Center, without whom this would not be here. So it's wonderful. We're so lucky to have you guys and so lucky to have this space. So when we think, wouldn't it be cool to have a virtual concert like this? We can do it, and we know we can do it, and we know you're there for us. So thank you to those two sponsors, and then also to the Minnesota State Arts Board and to the taxpayers of Minnesota. All of you, the Center for Irish Music receives support from the Minnesota State Arts Board, and we would not be able to do what we do without that support. So thank you so much. And I will hand it over now to Ian McKenna on the accordion and Brian Miller. Enjoy.
I'm gonna start off with some classic C-sharp D tunes. First one is called The Queen of the Fair, and the second one is The Carol Row. I got these from John McCormick. All right. Next, I'm gonna play a couple of reels I got from Connor Connolly. The first one is called "The Gardener's Daughter," and the second one is called "Dylan Brown." So I'll give these a try. next I'm gonna play a set of barn dances with Joe. I also got these from Connor Connolly. Do not have names for them.
Go down there and steal his talking mic there. Thank you, Georgeo. No, we got one more.
All right, I'm gonna finish up with a set of reels. The first one is The Tinker's Daughter. The second one is Corny is Coming, which I got from John McCormick. And the third one is The Dunmore Lasses, which I also got from John McCormick.
That was Ian McKenna and Brian Miller on guitar and bouzouki, Ian playing the accordion. And this is the Taking Flight Collective virtual streaming concert from the Celtic Junction Arts Centre. And these are all students from the Centre for Irish Music, St. Paul's own Irish music school. And we are so proud of these three. They're working together this year, learning some music together and also kind of working with one another and working with Brian Miller to learn some new music. I know Brian has been giving them tons and tons of recordings to listen to and lots of new music that they haven't heard. And they are spending their extra time kind of soaking in this music, and it's getting into their own music as well, as you can hear tonight. So they're just getting ready to play all together, so we're in for a treat. This is the final portion of the evening. So we're going to have Georgeo on fiddle, Ian McKenna on accordion, and Adrienne O'Shea on flute and vocals, accompanied by Brian Miller on guitar and some bouzouki as well. And I have a couple dates I wanted to tell you about. The Taking Flight Collective, this group, is going to be performing again, just like we are tonight, on April 16th. So mark your calendars, April 16th, it's a Friday night. We'll be doing another virtual concert. And before that, on February 20th, in the depths of the Minnesota winter, we are going to be celebrating the Centre for Irish Music and raising funds to support the music school. So that's on February 20th, Egsha CIM, a gala event. And it will be free this year, so anyone can join. And we want everybody to come and to support the school. So tune in and put that on your calendars. So I think I've been speaking about them a lot, and it looks like they're pretty much ready to go. So I think I will hand it over, and you can enjoy the rest of the concert. Here we go. This is Brian Miller, Ian McKenna, Georgeo, and Adrienne O'Shea, the Taking Flight Collective.
All right, we're going to start off with a set of reels, and they're called The Bag of Spuds, The Maid in the Cherry Tree, and The Green Groves of Erin. And these are all tunes that I think we learned from Sean Gavin. So this set is for him because we miss him a lot in the cold Minnesota.
we're gonna keep going here with some jigs that we got, or that me and Ian got from a concertina player on Facebook. I do not know her name, but or the names of the tunes for that matter. But they're two really fun jigs. So
Yeah, great.
All right, we're going to sing another song for you. And this is a song that I got from a recording of Paul Brady, who's an absolutely amazing singer and arranger of songs. So I'm really, really excited to sing this. But I'm more excited to sing it with the three guys up on stage with me, because it's really lonely to sing by yourself and sing unaccompanied all the time. So I'm really happy that I've gotten to sing some songs kind of as a band with these guys. So this is called The Creel, and there's a good story in the song, so you should listen closely. As I rolled out
Well, thanks everybody. I thought I would maybe chime in here briefly at the end, but I'm the lucky person that gets to work with these guys every week, and really I've got to work with the three of them for several years or more at this point, and it's really been a pleasure all the way along. I don't know, I was talking to Dahi Sproul, who's one of my mentors and part of the scene here for a long time, long as I've been alive really, and he was talking about these three, and you know, there's a tendency, you get used to calling people young musicians, but at some point they get so darn good that you just have to call them musicians. And that's what Dahi has said to me before. He said, those three are they're just musicians now. And that's kind of the whole idea with this Taking Flight Collective, is sort of launching people into adulthood. And I know for Nora and I and Cormac and lots of us, so many people in town, Irish music is just a part of life, and it's a part of being in a community, and it brings so much meaning to all of us, as well as just being fun. And I think that's all in the future for these three, and that's just such a testament to the work of the school and a testament to the work these three have put into it, and now you just get to start enjoying it as you go, you know, but you still get to play all the time and learn more. So there's so much more to do and so much more fun to have. So thanks for including me this evening, and we're going to finish with two reels. The last one, I don't know what the real name is for it, but Sean, Gavin, and Devin Shepard and I had a recording of it that somebody gave us, and it said on the track listing on the MP3, gorgeous reel. So we'll just call this the gorgeous reels.
and gentlemen, that was the Taking Flight Collective. That's Adrienne O'Shea on flute and vocals, Georgeo on the fiddle, Ian McKenna on accordion, and Brian Miller on guitar and bouzouki. All students from the Center for Irish Music. Brian is one of our teachers. And so thank you so much for joining us. And I wanted to give a shout out to our amazing tech team that is making this happen. So our whole production team, Cormac O'Shea on the sound, and he's recording tonight as well. Natalie O'Shea on lighting and this beautiful set. And Michelle McGregor of Evolution Productions, who is broadcasting and doing, working for us remotely, making all this happen. And Pete McCauley on cameras. So thank you so much. We are so happy that you've been able to help us with this, and that all of you out there have been joining us tonight. I hope you've enjoyed it. Come back on April 16th and you can enjoy this again. I'll have a whole bunch of more music for you. And also, don't forget, February 20th, Egsha Siam, a gala event. Make sure you join us, and there will be live music and recorded music, and it'll be an amazing celebration of traditional music. So I think that's it for the night. Enjoy your evening, and everybody, please take care of yourselves. And we're so happy to have had our live studio audience of some very enthusiastic parents as well. Yes, so take care of yourselves and have a wonderful night.